Want to save time in the kitchen? Meet the Full-Star 4-in-1 Vegetable Chopper. This beast chops, slices, and spiralizes. Fast, clean, and mess-free. Comes with 4 easy change blades. Dice veggies, spiralize zucchini, or slice fruits in seconds. More mess. Everything goes straight into the container. Easy to clean, compact, and perfect for every kitchen. Full-Star Chopper, your new kitchen MVP. Link in bio. Tired of messy oil bottles? Check out this 2-in-1 oil sprayer and dispenser. Perfect mist every time. Great for air frying with less oil. Or just pour it like a pro, smooth, controlled, and no mess. Comes with measurement marks, labels, and a sleek glass body, stylish and functional. Use it for cooking, salads, grilling, anything. Smart, clean, and healthy. This oil dispenser is a kitchen must-have. Link in the bio. Meet this manual chicken shredder. Just twist and boom. Perfectly shredded meat in seconds. No power, no noise, just twist and go. Ideal for tacos, sandwiches, salads. Works great with veggies and more too. Compact, lightweight, and easy to clean. This tool is a game changer. Shred smarter, not harder. Grab this must-have kitchen gadget now. Oder link bio. One tool, endless possibilities. Check out this 5-in-1 immersion blender. 1100 watts of pure power. Blend soups right in the pot. No mess, no transfers. Need fluffy eggs or whipped cream? Done in seconds. Craving cafe-style coffee? The frother's got you covered. Chop, blend, whisk, froth. It does it all. Trigger style speed control. Blend just the way you like it. From baby food to smoothies, this blender is a total kitchen beast. This heavy-duty stainless steel ricer from Priority Chef makes it super easy to press and mash. Look at that texture. Restaurant-style mashed potatoes every time. Not just potatoes. Use it for veggies, baby food, and more. Big 15 O's capacity. Comfy grip and easy to clean. Yes, it's dishwasher safe, fluffy, smooth, and effortless. This gadget's a must-have for every kitchen. All gadgets Oder link bio. Please like and share friends and family.